And here's how to see who viewed your TikTok video. Go to your TikTok app and now go to your TikTok profile. From your profile, tap on this menu icon at the top right corner and tap on Settings and Privacy. And here, tap on Privacy. Under Privacy Settings, scroll down and under Interactions, here you see these post views. So tap on that. And now, first of all, we have to enable post view history. So allow people you follow to see that you viewed their post, reel or video and see which followers viewed your reel or video. And post view history will only be available for 7 days from the post date. Your story view history won't be affected. So once this option turn on, also make sure to enable profile views option. And now on, when someone or when a follower views your reel or video on your TikTok, just open the video and here you have to tap on these here you will find views option, views history. So tap on this view history in this right hand menu and you will be able to see who viewed your TikTok video. Thanks for watching.